Hi, everybody. I'm Dr. Hume Johnson, a brand-centered leadership coach. I help mid-career professionals unlock their personal brand and communicate their value with confidence and credibility. Welcome back to part 3 of our 4-part series on answering the question, so tell me about yourself. In the first 2 videos, we covered step 1, which is building rapport, and step 2, communicating who you are through your values and your human skills. Now we're diving into step 3, communicating your capabilities and your expertise. This is a part where you connect your talents with the real needs of the job. So questions like, why should we hire you? Aren't just about personality, they're about what you can actually do. This is where your functional or technical or your hard skills come into play. Think occupational skills or job-specific skills or overall your professional expertise. That's what they're talking about. And yes, the declaration formula works beautifully here too. Start with a clear, confident statement of your expertise. For example, I am excellent at digital marketing. No, I'm not. This is what my students love to say. Then follow up with your reason or your philosophy. Why do you say that you are excellent at digital marketing? And here is where you can really persuade, because I believe digital marketing should not just create visibility, but it should drive measurable outcomes. Now is the time that you back this up with a campaign that you did and the results that you achieve. For me, you need a tangible illustration of the value that you can deliver. So for example, you may want to say something like, at my last job, I led a digital campaign that boosted web traffic by 70% and increased sales conversions by 50% in under 3 months. Now that is tangible. Finally, I always advise that you circle back to the job. That's what you did then. We need to know whether you can do that here. So that's the kind of strategic, results-driven thinking I'm excited to bring to this role, or simply, this is what I'll bring to this role. This is how you move from merely stating what you can do to showing how your capabilities solve problems and create value. So think about your areas of specialty, the things that you're great at or you love to do. You can do it with your eyes closed. What pain points in your industry or niche do you help solve? What results have you delivered in the past? Employers don't just want skill sets. They want to see how those skills create impact. They want to see that you can make a difference within their organization. So when you speak to your competencies in this way, you're literally establishing credibility. You communicate a strong personal brand, and you also position yourself as someone who delivers outcomes and not just effort. Experience tells us that you've been at the job for a long time. This tells of what you can actually deliver. This also helps you land roles where your talents are respected, where the work excites you, and where you can get to really shine. Remember, your capabilities aren't just credentials on your resume. They are solutions. They are solutions to problems your next employer needs solved. The more clearly you can express that, the more magnetic and valuable you will become to your interviewer. In our final video, step 4, how to differentiate yourself in job interviews. Remember, there are a lot of people being interviewed as well. I'll show you how to pull everything together, your human skills, your capabilities, your personal brand, and your story to stand out with authenticity and in a powerful way. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and don't miss the last part of this transformational series. Remember, talking about yourself is not self-promotion. I have to keep saying that. It's an essential career and life skill. I want you to own it, use it, and let it open doors for you. Again, I'm Dr. Hume Johnson. See you in the next video. Take care.